Medical Tourism Corporation's dental expert from Costa Rica explains the guarantees on dental implants and crowns in Costa Rica.
Basically, we try to send them back with 100%, let's say, problems-free. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Unfortunately, everything might break, anything might happen. So what we tell the patient is the same issue that you get back home. I mean, if anything happens and you move out of state, you have to go back to your normal dentist. If anything happens to the porcelain for any accident, because everybody will just say, I was eating just a banana or eating a little piece of bread and it broke by nothing, nobody will come up and say, no, I did something wrong and I broke it myself. I understand that and we all agree on that. The thing is, we give 100% guarantee on our porcelain and any work that we do here. Unfortunately, the only thing that you have to consider is that you have to come back to Costa Rica. You have to come back just because there's no way we can fix it by internet or by phone. We can actually give you all the advice that we can give you, but you will have to. But that's the only, I will consider the only risk that you have, that if you have any problems, you will have to come back here. But we will try to send you, and we get less than 3% of people having to come back for any reason. Sometimes it has to do with things that they don't do right and they don't consider it right. We always send our patients with night guards, but there's people that will never use it as much as we give them. If they don't use it, it doesn't work. And what happens is that they might break their teeth at night by just grinding because they have those bad habits and they will not be able to change it only if they use their night guard. The guarantee on the implant is basically the same that everybody will give. I mean, for us, it may be a little bit more because we will guarantee till it works. If anything happens to the implant and we have to replace it, we'll replace it for free. Like we mentioned before, the only thing that the patient has to do is have to come back. So for us to replace the implant. But we're working from less than 2% of rejection, so it's not under our consideration anymore. It's people just have to follow the rules. If they follow the rules, and everything works all right.
Medical Tourism Corporation facilitates affordable medical and dental treatment at world-class international hospitals and clinics. Fill out the estimate request form on our site, medicaltourismco.com, for a free quote and more information.